This 6 altcoin will explode 2022. Let's be honest here. Crypto has increased in popularity in the past years and it is only natural that you want to get into the action. The problem is, you do not know where exactly to start in your investment. Well, do not fret as your friends from Crypto Cash Out have got you covered. Welcome to today's installment of Crypto Cash Out, where we bring you the latest in the world of crypto space. Before we begin though, we would like to make it clear that we are not giving any piece of advice on whether or not you should invest in one or the other, as we are not financial experts and we only seek to inform you. Also, the markets that we are presenting today are based on our opinions because of how their trends are looking for the past months. So please, do some additional research after watching this video. With that being said, let's head on to some of the altcoins that will more than likely explode in this year. Starting off with our list is of course Bitcoin. In case you were living under a rock for the past several years, Bitcoin is one of, if not the biggest cryptocurrencies out there. It is the first recognized cryptocurrency that started all the way back in 2009 and is still standing strong to this day. A lot of people use and invest in it because of its system and can be transferable worldwide. The metrics showed that Bitcoin will maintain its top spot until the end of 2022 as a lot of people are still using it. Bitcoin also just hit an all-time high to start the year, causing the network to be even more secure. You can also use it to store some of your earnings in investments, or use it like a bank of crypto of some sort so that you won't lose too much money when the market in others seems down. The next coin that we're going to talk about is Polkadot. Polkadot's hype has never been much higher after finishing 2021 with multiple accomplishments, and it might bring the hype in 2022. The main reason behind Polkadot's success has something to do with their parachain rollout in the final months of 2021. In September 2021, the creator Gavin Wood said that it was ready and released it the following month with the first parachain auctions. If you're not quite sure what a parachain is, it is, according to their wiki, an application-specific data structure that is globally coherent and can be checked and tested by the validators of Relay Chain. These parachains can have their own economies in their own group using their own staking tokens. If they do, they are responsible for the economic cases for it. An example of a parachain is privacy chains that don't leak any information to the public through novel cryptography. This parachain system is different from others because the holders of the parachain are not required to lose their DOT so that they can receive some of the project's token. DOT is returned if projects lose in the auction bids, and it is reimbursed to slot holders when their lease expires. If this trend of leasing continues for the parachain, $4 to $4.5 billion worth of DOT will be locked up for 2 years after the 96-week leasing period. Because all of this DOT is locked up, the potential sell pressure and circulating supply on the market is more than likely to be reduced. Because of that, the trust of supporters of Polkadot is maintained in the market and they will become active users over that period of time. This parachain system is the main reason why Polkadot will ride the waves and surf through 2022 and the years to come. Speaking of a system and a currency, Solana's Phantom wallet has given Solana the massive success it has received for around 3/4 of 2021. Because of this massive success it has received in the last year, Solana has become one of the most popular blockchain platforms in the crypto world, also because of how fast, easy to use, and safe it is. There is no reason to think that Solana is slowing down, seeing the value of SOL has increased by more than 5,000% in 2021. Also, with its wallet supporting Ledger Nano X, Phantom gives users access to NFTs and other digital collectibles. Because of this, Phantom has seen an increase of 1.8 million users by the end of 2021, which is 4,400% increase since it started, and there seems to be no plans of slowing down. Carrying this momentum through 2022, Solana and its Phantom wallet has the potential to be one of the biggest things in the crypto market. Because it uses proof of history and proof of stake consensus, Solana is favored by many because of how eco-friendly it is and secure it can be to stake their SOL tokens, which is done by the validators. This staking feature was so popular for Phantom users that by end of the 2021, users had made 55.2 million transactions on different NFT marketplaces such as Radium and Solanart, which amounted to almost $800 million SOL volume. Phantom also had success in the staking department and staked over $16 billion worth of SOL tokens. Despite all of this success, Solana shows no signs of slowing down as they are earning 10 million users in the company. They are also planning to make transactions much easier with the development of a mobile application in the works, and there is no reason not to believe in Solana for 2022. Keeping in the topic of wallets, we have AAVE who are also planning to build their own mobile wallet in an announced tweet from their account. AAVE is a decentralized finance or DeFi which gives their users full control of their assets, and it is dominating the DeFi market. In total, AAVE accounts to a total of about 19% of the value locked in DeFi with a total of $1.6 billion in it. But not only that, but AAVE also plans to expand to Sushi Wrap and one of the next big names of the DeFi market, which is Curve Finance, who is said to have $1.3 billion locked on it. And because of the planned mobile wallet release, it is safe to assume that the company looks to boost their on-chain activity within their platform. In terms of price, AAVE has seen a bit of a downward or consistent trend in the second half of 2021. But by December, the price was recovering by about 70% and is continuing to rise at the time of writing this video. But is it safe to assume that the price will continue to rise as the months goes on? Despite the recent ups and downs of AAVE, the development team is working on V3 protocol that aims to improve capital efficiency, risk mitigation, and cross-chain bridging. They are also looking forward to a gasless voting and a more inclusive governance. Also, don't forget about their mobile wallet that is going to make access much easier for users worldwide. All of these things make people believe that AAVE can push over the 60% gap with its prices. One market that saw tremendous growth in the past year is Chainlink. Chainlink focuses on the smart contracts that are being made and how they are used on the blockchain. In the past year, Chainlink has amassed a total of $75 billion total value secured. With this massive 2021, the company has no plans of slowing down as they are planning to release 3 major initiative plans in the year 2022. The first cross-chain interoperability protocol or CCIP, where developers can easily build secure cross-chain applications with the open source standard. This can now be interoperated across different blockchain networks. They also plan to serve as an abstraction for layer enterprises, which can allow institutions to become blockchain-enabled. But probably the biggest major initiative plan is to allow Link for staking. We've already talked about staking in the previous section in this video, but with the recent success of Chainlink in this previous year, the developers of the crypto plans to release staking and staking rewards as they are now profitable because of the Oracle networks and Chainlink Sec2 networks. Because of that, they feel like it is now a good time to do so. They plan to make 2022 bigger than 2021 as if last year was not big enough already. Last and definitely not the least, we can have Cardano. Cardano had a slow start at around $0.18 when the year began. But as the year went on, it ended the year at a tremendous growth with a whopping $1.34 with a peak height of $3.10 in September. This caused a lot of people to look into Cardano and see where it goes. With this massive multiplying price accompanied with its good security, low fees, and energy efficient system, it is safe to assume that Cardano will continue its skyrocketing in 2022. There we have it. Those are some of the cryptocurrencies who are on track to have a prosperous 2022. Tell us in the comments below on where you will place your money, or you can also invest in multiple cryptos. But remember that we are only here to present what is reported and make it easy for you to understand. We are not financial experts. If you have made it to this point in the video, then great. Make sure to leave like and subscribe as it is free and takes you a couple of seconds. And also, comment down below what other cryptocurrencies will have a bullish run for 2022 to share your thoughts and a chance to win our shoutout giveaway. If you would like to learn more about Dogecoin and how much it will improve this year, click here to watch this great video explaining it. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have fun cashing out!